I don't see any fireworks.
Wait, dude. You have to wait.
Mm-hmm.
I only go in.
Talk to the girl gang. Talk to the girl gang because we're gonna do fireworks soon.
Whoa!
Guys, it is July.
Whoa!
It is July 4th.
Dude!
I mean,
Whoa!
well, technically it's not 4th, it's 3rd. July 3rd. Guys, this is so cool and so scary. Oh my gosh. I am shaking. I am shaking.
Whoa! Dude, just do another one. Oh my god.
I am so lucky I got this on camera. Dude, this every time it pops, dude, it makes my heart go.
It scared the bird.
It scares me.
It scared the bird. The bird just flew out of the
Okay, guys, you cannot see us, but you can see the fireworks when they go off.
Dude, that was so cool.
Are they getting more? Can you see his face, girl gangster? No.
My face is too big for them to see. I have a toe hang.
Okay, girl gangster. We are looking for fireworks.
Let's keep waiting.
Guys, did the fireworks scare you? Because every time it went boom, it made my heart go.
It doesn't scare me that.
Fireworks scare me, dude, because they are so loud, dude. I've been terrified of them.
I mean, the bangs are kind of like the best part about a firework. Kind of like, for some reason, I don't like enjoy watching the fireworks. For some reason, I just think that it's fun for some reason. Like, I don't enjoy it, but I think it's fun.
Okay, let's have them see your face.
And then as soon as we turn around, they do a bunch of fireworks.
Okay, now they can see you.
So, did you like the fireworks?
What the heck?
What is wrong with you?
You tell me.
Wait, you're actually right. I do have a toe shaped in it. I'm so cool. I'm so cool.
Mm-hmm.
I'm cool enough that I'll punch myself in the face. Do you think they're gonna do more?
I don't know. Probably not. They probably used all their fireworks on that one thing earlier.
I mean, I keep seeing somebody grab a box and then walk down the road, but that just keeps happening.
They're probably getting ready to do 1 million then. At the same time.
No, like they grab a box from out of the school and then they just walk down the road with it. Like, I think that's
Brother,
the
did you
fireworks that
forget the
they
girl
have
gangsters
used.
are still watching you?
No, I didn't. Let's go over by the fence to see if we can see them better.
Oh, wait, no.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh, that is... I am scared.
Now those ones are the cool ones.
I am terrified.
I meant the scary ones.
No, I like the ones where you go, boom, and then they go,
Instead of the ones that go,
yeah, I like the ones that are a long time where they like droop down. Nobody probably knows what I'm talking about.
Neither do I don't.
They go.
I didn't even see that one go up.
Yeah, me neither.
It just went off.
Yeah, that one.
Hopefully nobody got hurt. Maybe it flipped upside down after they lit it.
Nah, probably not.
Hopefully not.
I hear some. Come on, let's go up to the front. Okay, girl gangsters. I hear them, but I don't see them. I think they're behind the tree. But those
Light up one of those
first,
big ones while we're next to it.
yeah, those first ones were so cool, dude,
Somebody might have got hurt
and really scary.
because the fireworks.
I don't see any. And then as soon as we turn off the camera, they're gonna do more. I bet you.
Like you're gonna turn off the camera, you're gonna turn around and you're gonna see a million fireworks flying up into the sky. I was kind of scared that we looked weird standing on the porch and stuff, and then I realized we're out here to watch fireworks. Like, I think people would know that when there's just people standing on a porch with a camera.
Duh.